This video I will explain the difference between Google Ads and Facebook Ads for small businesses. For local businesses, best choice is Google Ads. Example of local businesses are mobile repair shop, plumber or electrician, tuition center, clinic or salon. Why Google Ads works better? People search on Google when they need help immediately. For example, mobile repair near to me. Your ad shows at the exact moment of need. Important concepts. Local search. Searches with near me or city name. High intent. Customer is ready to contact or visit. Pay per click. You pay only if someone clicks the ad. Simple result. Fewer people see your ad, but more of them become customers. For online businesses and new brands, better choice is Facebook ads. Examples are online clothing store, handmade products, new food brand, and drop shipping business. Why Facebook ads works better? You can show ads to people based on interest. For example, showing clothing ad to fashion lovers. And great for introducing new products. Important concepts. Audience targeting. Choosing age, location and interest. Visual ads. Images and videos work best. Brand awareness. Making people remember your business. Simple result. More people see your brand, even if they are not ready to buy today. For beginners with a low budget, recommended start with the Facebook ads. Test your product, images and pricing. Learn which people respond to your ads. Next step, use Google Ads once you know what people search for, which product or service sell best. Now we will see common beginner mistakes. Mistake 1. Running Google Ads without knowing such keywords. This wastes money. Mistake 2. Running Facebook ads without clear image or message. People scroll fast and ignore unclear ads. Mistake 3. Expecting instant sales from Facebook ads. Facebook works better for long-term growth. Now we will see very simple decision rule. People search for your service, use Google ads. You want people to discover your product, use Facebook ads. Want best results, then use both together. The summary is Google Ads bring customers who are ready to buy. Facebook Ads builds interest and creates future customers.